Now here I am going to explain set 30/5/1. This set has come in March 2023. I have already explained set 2. There are some different questions that were there in this set. So I am going to explain those few questions. And I am going to write the link of that paper 30/5/2 in my description box. Now the question number 1 of this set is the number of polynomial having zeros -3 and 5. There are 4 options, only one, infinite, exactly 2 and almost 2. Now I am to write the correct one. Here alpha is -3 and beta is 5. And if I am to write the polynomial, the formula for that polynomial is k in the bracket x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Substitute the values. I'll have k x square minus 3 plus 5x plus 3 minus 3 into 5. That is equal to k x square minus 2x minus 15. So k x square minus 2x minus 15. So number of polynomial is infinity. So B is the options. We can say with these zeros -3 and 5, I can write infinite number of polynomials. So B is the option. Now its third question is the common difference of the AP whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3n plus 7. There are 4 options. Now here an is 3n plus 7, a1 is 10, a2 is 13, a3 is 16. So common difference is equal to 13 minus 10, which is equal to 3. So B is the option. Now the 7th question is, now distance between the points P whose coordinates are -11/3 and 5 and Q -2/3 and 5. There are 4 options. You are to write the correct one. Now write the distance formula. You all know how to write the distance formula. So PQ is equal to, write the distance formula here. You will get √9, that is equal to 3. So D is the option. Now 12th question is 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equal to, there are 4 options. Write the right one. 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Substitute the values. Tan 30 degree is 1/√3. So when you substitute the values, you will get √3/2, which is equal to sin 60 degree. So A is the option. Now the 14th question. The 11th term from the end of AP 10, 7, 4 up to -62 is, there are 4 options. Now write in the reverse order, that is -62 onward, 4, 7, 10. Here A is equal to -62, D is 3, write A11. That will come out to be -32. So C is the option. Now 15th question. 2 coins are tossed together. The probability of getting at least one tail. There are again 4 options. Its sample space, if we toss 2 coins, sample space will be head head, tail head, head tail, tail tail. Probability of getting at least one tail. It means we can get one tail and we can get more than one tail. So that is equal to P, probability will come out to be 3/4. So C is the option. Now question number 22nd. In a given figure, PT is a tangent to a circle centered at O. OC is perpendicular to the chord AB. Prove that PA dot PB is equal to PC square minus AC square. Now this is the figure. Here PT is a tangent, AB is a chord, OC is perpendicular on this chord. You are to prove PA into PB is equal to PC square minus AC square. Now how you will do it? Now PA dot PB. Now this is equal to, PA can be written as PC minus AC. And PB can be written as PC plus CB. So PA can be written as PC minus AC and PB can be written as PC plus CB. Now PC minus AC. Now this CB is equal to AC. this CB is equal to AC because perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. So BC is equal to AC. So instead of BC I have written AC. Now PC minus AC, PC plus AC. This is equal to PC square minus AC square. This is what we want to prove. Now 24th question. Find the ratio in which y-axis divides the line segment joining the points 5, minus 6 and minus 1, minus 4. So let this is the line segment, and let this point is 5, minus 6, let this point is minus 1, minus 4, and let this point is P. This point divides this line segment in the ratio lambda is to 1. I am to find the ratio. Now you will have 0 is equal to minus lambda plus 5 upon lambda plus 1. Find the value of lambda. That will come out to be 5. So ratio P divides this line segment in the ratio 5:1. Now 27th question. If pth term of an AP is Q and qth term is P, then prove that nth term is P plus Q minus N. Now pth term of an AP is Q, so AP is Q. A plus P minus 1D is equal to Q. This is our first equation. Qth term of an AP is P. So AQ is P. So it means A plus Q minus 1D is equal to P. This is our second equation. Now I have these two equations. So from this, either by elimination method or by substitution method, find the value of A and D. Here I have applied substitution method. From this I have found the value of A and I have substituted this value into. So I'll get D is equal to P minus Q upon minus P minus Q. After cancelling it, I'll get minus 1. So value of D is equal to minus 1. Now substitute this value D is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. After substituting this value of D in the equation 2, I'll get A is equal to P plus Q minus 1. On the next page, I'll find the nth term. Now A is equal to P plus Q minus 1, D is equal to minus 1. I'm to find AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. Substitute the values, you will get P plus Q minus 1. This is what we want to prove. AN is equal to P plus Q minus N. This is what we want to prove. Question number 29. Two people are 10 kilometers apart on a straight road. They start walking at the same time. If they walk towards each other with different speeds, they will meet in 2 hours. Had they walked in the same direction with same speed as before, they would have met in 8 hours. Find their walking speeds. Suppose there are two persons, one is A, one is B. They are walking towards each other with different speeds. Suppose speed of A is x km per hour and speed of B is y km per hour. They walk for 2 hours and after that let they meet at this point P. So it means distance covered by A in 2 hours is 2x km and distance covered by B with this speed y km per hour in 2 hours is 2y km. And equation becomes 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, since the distance between A and B is 10 km. So this is what I have written here. Suppose speed of A is x km per hour. Time is 2 hours. So distance covered is equal to 2x km. Suppose speed of B is y km per hour. Time is 2 hours. So distance covered by B is 2y km. So according to question, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. If we divide by 2, we will get x plus y is equal to 5. So this is our first equation. Now again, I have made a figure here. Now this is A, this is B. Speed of A is x km per hour. Speed of B is y km per hour. They walk on the same direction and they meet at this point. And we know distance between AB is 10 km. Suppose speed of A is x km per hour. Time is 8 hours. If they go in the same direction, they will meet after 8 hours. So time is 8 hours. Distance covered by A is equal to 8x kilometer. Speed of B is y kilometer per hour. Time is 8 hours. Distance covered by B is 8y. So it means distance from here to here, it is 8x. Distance from here to here, it is 8y. So 8x minus 8y is equal to 10 kilometer. So our second equation is 8x minus 8y is equal to 10. Divide by 2, you will have 4x minus 4y is equal to 5. So we have two equations now. So by elimination method, I have found the value of x, which is 25 by 8 kilometer per hour. So substitute this value in any of the equations, you will get y, that is equal to 15 by 8 kilometer per hour. So speed of A is 25 by 8 kilometer per hour. Speed of B is 15 by 8 kilometer per hour. Now 31st question is, find the mean of the following frequency distribution. Classes are given to us, frequency are given to us. I have applied direct method. In a direct method, I have written classes here, I have written xi here, fi here, then I have multiplied xi fi, I'll get this and write the formula. Mean is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Sigma fi xi will come out to be 2580 and sigma fi is equal to 70. After dividing it, we will get 36.9. That is the mean. That is the answer. Now this is question number 32. One observer estimates the angle of elevation of the basket of a hot air balloon to be 60 degrees, while another observer 100 meters away estimates the angle of elevation to be 30 degrees. You have to answer three questions. Its A part is the height of the basket from the ground. Find the distance of the basket from the first observer's eye. And its C part is the horizontal distance of the second observer from the basket. Let A be the point which is the basket of the hot air. This point B makes an angle 60 degrees with this hot air balloon. This point D, which is 100 meters away from B, this makes an angle of 30 degrees with this basket of the hot air. And let this distance is x, and this is 100 meter. So distance between DC is 100 plus x. So we have two right angle triangle. One is ACB and the other is ACD. Now in triangle ACB, h by x is equal to tan 60 degree. It means h by x is equal to root 3. So h is equal to root 3x. In triangle ACD, h upon x plus 100 is equal to tan 30 degree. H by 100 is equal to 1 by root 3 and root 3h is equal to x plus 100. Now on the next page, I'll answer all the questions. Now the A part is the height of the balloon from the ground. It means we have to find this h. Its B part is the distance of the basket from the first observer eyes. It means we have to find this distance AB. Its third part is the horizontal distance of the second observer from the basket. It means we have to find the horizontal distance DC. So we have now two equations, h is equal to root 3x and root 3h is equal to x plus 100. From here find the value of x, which is root 3h minus 100, and substitute this value in first one. We will get the answer of the first question. The height of the basket from the ground, which is h. So h is equal to root 3x. Instead of x, I'll write root 3h minus 100. Solve this, you will get the value of h, which is 50 root 3. So that is the answer of the first question. Its B part is the distance of the basket from the first observer's eye. It means we have to find the distance AB. So h upon AB is equal to sin 60 degree. It means 50 root 3 upon AB is equal to root 3 by 2. It means AB is equal to 100 meter. Now this is the answer of the second question. Now third is the horizontal distance of the second observer from the basket, that is distance DC, that is h is equal to root 3x. Instead of h we will write 50 root 3 is equal to root 3x, so x is equal to 50 meter. So DC will come out to be, so DC is equal to DB plus BC, that is 100 plus 50, that is 150 meter. That is the answer of the third question.